everyone, I'm Maria, the founder of Creative Giant Hands. Along with my team, we create craft and cooking videos. I hope you enjoy watching them already. And today's video, I'm going to show you how I changed the color of an old vase that I bought it from a second-hand shop. The reason I'm changing the color of this vase is because I fell in love with the Nordic decor style, and yeah, that blue color doesn't really match with the bohemian and this, because I already had dried with flowers. I just needed a vase, and I didn't want to spend money buying a new one because they are quite expensive. So I decided to change the color of this blue vase. Let me show you how I done everything and how the vase looks like blended in the home decor.
My initial idea was to remove the color of this vase with the sandpaper and paint it with liquid cement. Easy peasy. The only problem I faced was that the color couldn't be removed, but at least I get rid of the glossy layer of the vase. First I painted the neck of the vase, and after I continued to cover the whole area with up and down moves. Make sure you don't spray too much paint so it doesn't leave the ugly marks.
Okay, so this is how the vase turned out. I really love this color. Is Nordic, is warm, and it's creating such a good vibe in the house. Okay, and here I have my wall gallery. I'm sure you know these pictures, guys, because I post them on social media. And this one you can download it from Etsy. I will leave the link in this video description. Okay, so you can download and print them instantly. You can buy the frame from any store, and yeah, they look so beautiful. Okay, this is the wheat flowers that I collect them from the edge of farmland. Okay, they are very fluffy, and the good thing about them is that they last forever. Okay, and here I want to show you a different angle how this vase look like when it's placed in a corner, along with my bohemian accessories. Yeah, like I said, it turned out to be better than I expected. Okay, it's proper dry now, and yeah, you can use it for any kind of flowers, not just dry flowers. I hope you enjoy watching this video, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment below, and let me know what you think about this little project. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next project.